Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Unit 2, Lesson Books and Part 2. In this video, you are going to learn the textbook exercises. Now, read the statements and state whether true or false. The speaker loves reading books. True. He reads all kinds of books. True. He is by nature a dull and boring person. False. He is bold, independent, and adventurous. True. He does not wish to share his joy with others. False. He is creative and imaginative. True. He understands the power of books. True. He does not recommend reading books to others. False. Now look here, children. Pick out the words from the box to complete the web chart. Here this is web chart and you have to complete this. You have to fill this with what? Places to see with books. So if you go through the books, if you go on reading the books, what type of places do you find in the books? Okay. Here this is the option box. Okay, from this box you have to take the words, pick out the correct words, that means places, and fill those words in this. Okay, see, for example, palaces. Palaces means who lives in the palaces? Kings and queens. Okay, so in this way you have to find out all the places. For example, see, schools. School is a place, so you can write here schools. And what else? Then parks. You can write here parks. Then deserts. Desert is a place. Deserts. And here oceans. Like that. Understood? That way you have to fill this web chart. Can you do it? I hope you will do. In the same way, one more web chart. Here in this web chart you have to fill the words which describes the books. Okay. What are they? For example, funny, funny book, funny stories book. In that way. Okay. So you can see here example funny is given. In the same way, you can find some more describing words. Okay. What are describing words? Nothing but adjectives. Okay. Look here, entertaining and interesting. That means if you read that book, it is an interesting book. Then here, next one, tragic, tragic. Then thrilling, exciting, like that. You can describe in that way. Okay, you can find all those words from the box and you have to fill in this web chart. Understood? Yes. Here is one more web chart. What an interesting and exciting assignment, isn't it? So very easy. Again, here help box is given. See here, help box is given, the same help box. From this, now you have to find out the characters in the books. See, you will be seeing some what is it, animated movies, or in the same way books also. You will be reading some comic books, cartoon books, like that. In that you will find so many characters in that. See, for example, here I wrote fairies. Fairies. In the same way, you have to find the characters which you will see in the books, in different books. Okay. Like here, see, wizards, wizards, animals. Yes, here aliens, children. All these are characters. Okay. All these are names of persons. Okay. So you have to common nouns. These are nouns. So you have to write down in these spaces given here. Understood? Now the next one. Complete the stanza taking words from the box given below. Say in this box you have given some words. You have to fill these correct words in the blanks. Look here, read the first one. Books are dash that fly dash. Books are planes. Books are planes that fly high. Here, for example, I gave one example. First one I wrote. So the next remaining blanks you have to fill on your own. Okay, try to fill on your own. Very easy. But if you can't do it, I will send you the answers in my WhatsApp. Okay, in the class group, I will put all these answers. Understood? But you have to try on your own. Try on your own. Otherwise, you can have answers on that day. Here, one more exercise for you. This is also homework. Reading is a hobby. Find out how many students enjoy reading in your class. And also complete the sentences given below to assess your reading habits. So once if you start reading books, you can do it very easily. Okay. So this is your reading record, my reading record. So you have to select one book of your favorite. Any book you can take. And my favorite book is, what is your favorite book? Write that book name in the first blank. In the first blank you have to write your favorite book name here. Then next one, the characters or character I like the most in the book. So if you find one character, most familiar character, then you will write one. Or if you have more than one, you can write two or more than two characters here, characters names. Okay. Then stories that I have liked. So when you read those books, what type of stories do you find in that? You have to write those stories which you have liked most. Write those stories names here. The next one, when I go to the library, I like to take out books about. What type of books do you select to read? When you go to, suppose if you go to the library, then what type of books you like to read? Write that book. Then my favorite author. Who is your favorite author? You can write favorite author. Author means that writer, book's writer. So whenever you find the book, first author name will be given in the first page itself. So read the author name, the book which you are reading, then write that author name over here. Okay. Authors like Rabindranath Tagore and who else? R.K. Narayan. In that way, you can find those who have written some comics and story books, Ruskin Bond. So like that, whose books do you like most? You can write the author name over here. The next one, my favorite fairy tale. Fairy tale is, what is a favorite fairy tale? Fairy tale means fairy story. Write that name here. Okay, don't write story. Write only name. Then if I could write a book, I would call it. Suppose if you want to, after taking it as an inspiration, if you want to write a book, small book, then what would you call it? What you're going to give a name for that? So imagine that and write that name here. Okay. So this is your homework assignment. fill all these very easy tasks I gave you. Okay, do it. Okay, that's all for today. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.